I can say is sorry, yeah, I can't do more when the technology is not running. But yeah, as we have since we start, we have our own motto, that inspire us. I say that we build our skill for the future, and build our future with the skill. It's very simple message, but this I always pass on to the young guys. What's the meaning of build our skill with the future? That means that if we don't have a skill yet, we build our skill, then in the future we can have a better our contributions or our living conditions. But we also send a message not just for who is beginner, who is just start to learning some skills, but we send the same message also to who is already have skills or already have a job. We want to their job have a future skill with the future. That means if they already have some skills, they can upgrade their skills, they can consolidate their skills, so they can continue in promoting more responsibility, more contribution in their duty, their positions. That's these centers when we choose this name. So building future with the job and job with the future. I think that's the way the changes. But in the beginning, I used the skill. So it's still December last year, 7,156, but till this year, December, 8,650 something. But we have more because still going on training, so we'll add more the numbers still today. And the next, above everyone, we have a team here, very, not everyone in pictures, but at least some of us there. We're gathering, continuing, developing our team as part of developing skill for the youngest coming to join us. So part of sending to workshop, training, myself just had a few-week trips to Europe and some to Jakarta. I think Marcelo was in Singapore, hopefully, and then we sent some to the villages as well. So some in Obisi. Next week I will go back to Kusi in the villages to the elders. So we're doing cultural as well. So, promoting wherever our elders' knowledge, skill, valuables that still forgotten, because in Timor no one preserved the writings or any others
Tibar to greening,
evidence
to greening and Tibar to greening.
Continuing, using it. But we hopefully can still keep something through the verbal history, through the storytelling. Yes. Here we have Sito, as you see, doing in electrical farming, masonry. Welding, this screen is about 6-7 attachments in constructions. We have also electrical instrumentations. We got Mohammed from Iraq, David from Scotland here, coaching 4 of our trainers here. So, I don't think there's any other last horrible industry. Rely on them. So we hope that we have our delegation that can contribute to protect our green, our planet green. So we have in Maritime, we are in this center with the team slowly we not talk of just the green training, but we will talk about blue training. So as well, so it's part of. We hopefully not just protect the land, but we also protect our sheep as well. India hospitality is still growing. We have a small team just hopefully and local food production. So they make a picnics from tomatoes, organic tomatoes, cucumber, yesterday with some pineapples as well. They are doing it. Hopefully we can have proper industry kitchens facilities for the hospitality for tourists. Agricultural expertise is here on John from CDC local. But I think I have a better tomato than he is now.
Brother, go to CDC go to CDC, brother.
Yeah, so good one. Yeah, so he's great lots of tomato out there as well. So, yeah, we're just a small part. As I say, when we start this part here, I dream of hopefully we can build balanced ecosystems. So we can have people, we can have plants, we can have animals, because this is dependency one to each other. This and everyone is criticizing me, team here, because I have a sheep, goats, horses, and deer here. Was nice landscape inside the campus. Lots of plants before nice, but then since I have a goat, all gone, all gone. Yes, but I'll bring back the plants. Yeah. But the good things that I think this afternoon we have a barbecue goats. Hey. So who is vegetarian? I have to apologize, but we will have, because the students leaving tomorrow to Kusi, so we have some goats to big tips tonight.
Wow! Yeah. How many goats will you slaughter tonight?
One or two, depends how everyone appetites. When more appetites and more goats will be taken. But if just some for tasty, then maybe one is enough. Yeah. Agriculture and.
Can I ask, these plants on the left, so what is the container that you're using?
It's banana leaf.
No plastic.
Yes, plastic.
That's the plastic.
Mr. Next week we will visit yours.
We're doing something a little bit damaging the birds, because the machinery that's in the world is quite frightening, especially in mining and so on. So, but we still deliver risk training with heavy equipment, but we contribute to the water conservation. So build a little dam on a hill, so it's collecting the rainwater, not immediately running into the rainwater. Yeah. So I think more than 200 small lakes we build in the hill around top of the hill. Not this part yet, but in Mauritius or Kusi, we done some part. Hopefully in part of Air, but we will go to Visitation as well. But hopefully the team have So Ramos also, Mr. Ramos also. This is very activist. Very call him. He said, "Okay, I will be there." Don't ask his advisor, because his advisor tells him he's very busy. Call me immediately.
Always like that.
Yeah, always like that. If you have his phone number, just call him. He'll come to you training.
It's not easy, brother.
Yeah, we have this, I think on the 20th, we have some of ceremony here for the students. We host technical vocational students who are part of, and polytechnic students here, part of their curriculum, their unique competencies to be legally recognized in their school, or part of the program that they come with training with us. Slides no longer than my presentations. We have some facilities as you see in Basel. We have a guest house and restaurants up in front of the lake. I have a nice photograph I haven't put here in Saloy. We build a similar coffee place. If you go to the south coast, Same Ainaros, right? We'll be in Mabisi, in the side of the road. There's 2 bungalows built by the students from the villages there. Right now, we running with the project, not running late. Everyone wants to immediate coffee place ready. But I said, no, we, based on our delivered training, so the group already finished last year, early this year, level 1, now they're in current level 2. So hopefully by, I suppose we can have coffee now next week, but it's still finishing part left. So we can have coffee place in OBC as well. And grants training centers in OBC. We have some students here right now, some arrived this morning, so we'll join together. We encourage to build our, hopefully, the meeting room, seminar room. It could be those 150 people inside. There's a student, I think level 1, level 2, in current construction when they need to come, they are doing the project. So there's, I think level 1, level 2, and 3 as well. Depending on all the skills that involve in the English competency inside the project. So all of the activity training is, I always ask to the trainers, is the, hopefully can reflect into the project-based training. Yeah. So when, as you see in agriculture, like tomatoes, if they say that they choose to plant tomatoes, I need to harvest tomatoes. If they fail, they need to replant. They take more 2 months to replant. I don't sign the certificate. Yeah. If the carpenter will the chair, show me so that the chair they build. If the chair is not ready, this is extra time.
Approach. Yes, you prepared your certificates, but we need to give them only up to have plans for greening.
So I have a space here. Yeah. So I have a space here, even up in hill there. So they can have a plant and then give them certificates. I don't influence. It should be fair and independent. We have a small part of productions that could have our own revenue to cover significant. It's good to provide some of facilities for students, for the teachers, so even not between our budget, regular annual budget. So it's good something that we are able to produce to benefit for the students and for the teachers. So that's what we are doing in production. I think that's all. So some of we put a bit to the several projects, government projects, agencies projects, and we sometimes we are the winner. So we win the project with the students, with the team, So we have a high request open venues ceremonies here, but we cut it. In this year, I think we cut it. We have a rest for the party. As you need to work, because if not every week, we just party. We can't just be the party. We have to wait. We're supposed to be the party. At least 1 or 2 years, then we can party again. every weekend. That's not those. You don't want to come to that party. So we have the Jefferina here is really good for Catherine's cooking. Everything, but we still need to hopefully with more staff from different industry will join with us. Hopefully from the French Institute, they already trained last with culinary with the INDMO, with the Korean, I think.
Yeah, right.
They have a good desserts. I like it. And we have a seat. So barbecue. Thank you. Yes. So once again, any